નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સંસ્કૃત સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 7 ચેપ્ટર 2 મેઘો વર્ષતિ. The poem is about rain scenes of a village. In this season, we also find a colorful bow in the sky. Do you know what it is? It is a rainbow. How many colors do we see in it? कितने कलर हम देख सकते हैं रेनबो में? 7. We see in it. There are 7 colors in it. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. In short, it is Vigor. Vigyor. Children, when we find a rainbow, they are amazed to see it. Wordsworth said, "My heart lifts up when I behold a rainbow in sky." Hello students, how are you? Today let's learn Sanskrit chapter 2 Megho Varsati. Varsati means raining. It is raining. We know that there are 3 seasons in a year, which they winter, summer and monsoon. In these 3 seasons, we like monsoon very much because it is lifeline of our country. Our country totally depends on rain. We cannot do without rain. Rain brings prosperity in our country. Let's have a look at the 2 pictures of the poem Megho Varsati. It is raining. Tell me, what are they about? First of all, let us be familiar with the new words in this poem to enjoy its natural beauty. First word is Varsati, means is raining. Second, Pravahati means is flowing. Tushyati means is getting satisfied, feeling satisfaction. Gacchati means is going. Nayati means is taking. Vahati means is carrying. Karsati means is plowing. Vapati means is sowing. Rohati means is growing. Phalati means is producing. Bhavati means is happening. We know that there are 3 seasons in a year, which winter, summer and monsoon. Which season do you like very much? In 3 seasons, we like monsoon very much. Why? Because it is lifeline of our country. Our country totally depends on rain. We cannot do without rain. Rain brings prosperity in our country. Let's have a look at the 2 pictures of the poem. Megho Varsati means it is raining. Tell me, what are they about? Let us enter into the poem and in the first picture. What do we see in the picture? Clouds, trees, rain. What is going on this picture? You know? It is raining means Megho Varsati, the title of the poem. Let us read Megho Varsati. It is raining. Pravahati Niram. Pravahati means is flowing. Rain water is flowing on the land. Now look at the second picture. Tushyati krusikaha gacchati gostham. The rain is satisfying the farmer and he is going to the cattle yard. How many bullocks do you see? 2. Nayati cha vrushabham halamapi vahati. He is taking the bullocks. Vrushabham means bullocks. Halamapi means plow. Vahati is taking. He is taking the bullocks and the plow. Nayati cha vrushabham. Vrushabham means bullocks. Nayati cha vrushabham halamapi vahati. Halamapi means to plow. He is taking the bullocks and the plow. Karsati kshetram vapati cha bijam. Vapati means to sowing. Karsati, the farmer is plowing the field and sowing seeds. Rohati sasyam phalati prakamam. Phalati means grain. The grain is growing in plenty as wheat. Bhavati samruddhihi manukula vruddhihi. Manukula vruddhi means mankind grows. Bhavati samruddhi. Prosperity and mankind grows together. Are you understand this poem? Yes. Now let us revise the poem through some Questions. What is going on in the poem? It is raining. It is a poem of rain. Second question. What actions are on? Raining, plowing, sowing, and moving of the tree. What is the result of rain? Seeds grow and mankind prospers. Students, you can find many such poems in Gujarati, Hindi, and English. Thank you for joining us.